AI will kill the internet, it's my prediction. There are people who believed the fake news as true. AI can do it. AI can do it like this. At first it was a fake voice and a fake image, a fake video, and someone sampled 2 minutes of my voice.
What I'm about to tell you is going to change the way you see the internet forever. You probably think the internet is this massive digital world created and run by humans, filled with websites, social media, and funny cat videos, a place where people connect, share ideas, and, let's be real, argue about completely useless things in the comments section. But here's the truth. Humans aren't really in control anymore. AI is. The internet is no longer built for us, it's built for AI. It decides what you see, what you click on, what you buy, what you believe. And the craziest part, it happened so gradually that no one even noticed. Let me prove it to you. Let's start with Google search. You probably think when you Google something, you're getting the most accurate and relevant results, right? Nope. Google's AI is filtering everything, ranking results based on what it thinks you want to see. It personalizes search results, meaning two people searching the exact same thing can get completely different answers. This means AI is deciding what information you have access to. AI is shaping what you think is true or false. AI is literally controlling knowledge itself. And it doesn't stop at Google. Ever noticed how social media platforms seem to read your mind? Like, you talk about needing new shoes and suddenly your entire Instagram feed is just sneakers? That's AI at work. It tracks everything, what you like, what you comment on, how long you stare at a post before scrolling. Then it feeds you more of what keeps you engaged, whether it's memes, conspiracy theories, or a sudden obsession with raccoon videos at 2 a.m. And here's where it gets dark. AI isn't just showing you content. It's shaping your reality. Ever wonder why some posts explode online while others disappear into the void? It's not luck. It's AI making the call. Take YouTube, for example. The recommendation algorithm decides which videos get millions of views and which ones die in obscurity. It's not about the best content. It's about what keeps you watching. The result? Outrageous, shocking, and extreme content gets pushed harder. AI figures out what triggers your emotions and feeds you more of it. Echo chambers form. AI keeps showing you things that confirm what you already believe. In other words, AI isn't just deciding what goes viral, it's manipulating what the entire world pays attention to. That's powerful. And kinda terrifying. Let's be real. AI is watching everything you do online. Every click, every search, every video you binge, it's all data. And companies like Google, Facebook, TikTok, and Amazon are collecting that data to train their AI models. Why? Because AI is running a simulation of you. Yep. Right now, there's a virtual version of you inside a giant AI system that predicts your behavior. AI knows what you're most likely to click on, what kind of content will make you mad, what ads will make you buy something even before you know you want it. Ever feel like your phone is reading your mind? You mention a vacation and boom, ads for flights pop up. That's not magic. That's AI being 5 steps ahead of you. It's so good at predicting you that sometimes you'll buy something just because the internet made you think it was your own idea. And honestly, that's next-level mind control. Now, if AI was just influencing social media and search engines, that would be bad enough. But no, AI is literally running businesses now. Customer service, AI chatbots, stock market trading, AI algorithms, hiring employees. AI filters through resumes before a human even looks at them. News articles, AI writes them. Even entire websites, AI generates them automatically. AI isn't just helping companies. It's replacing human workers, making decisions, and managing systems without anyone questioning it. Right now, AI decides what news you read, what products are recommended to you, and even how much you pay for things online. Amazon, their pricing is AI-controlled. Uber, AI sets surge pricing based on demand. Your Netflix recommendations? All AI. We're living in an AI-run world, and most people have no idea. At this point, the internet isn't really controlled by humans anymore. It's AI deciding what you see, what's important, and even what's real. And the scariest part, AI is now starting to generate its own content, meaning the internet is becoming self-sustaining. AI writes blog posts. AI makes deep fake videos. AI-generated influencers exist, and people follow them like real humans. So what happens when AI starts making more content than humans? At some point, the internet might become an AI-created, AI-managed, AI-consuming system, where real human users are barely involved. And if that happens, who's really in charge? If you're liking this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you think that some dude in an office is manually deciding what posts stay up and what gets banned, think again. It's AI. AI isn't just sorting through search results or recommending videos, it's making decisions about what's acceptable speech. Ever had a post removed for violating community guidelines without any explanation? Ever had your YouTube comment instantly disappear the moment you hit enter? That wasn't some human moderator reviewing it, that was an AI algorithm executing orders in milliseconds. The scary part? These AI filters aren't perfect. They often ban the wrong things, let harmful content slip through, and create bias in online conversations. On YouTube, AI auto-flags videos as misleading or harmful without full context. On Twitter X, AI shadow bans accounts without telling users. On Instagram and Facebook, AI moderates millions of posts every day, often making errors that never get reviewed by a human. At this point, AI is deciding what information is allowed to spread online, and we're just supposed to trust that it's doing a good job? Spoiler alert, it's not. Okay, let's get real. AI is no longer just recommending content, it's shaping reality. Think about it. If AI is controlling what news stories you see, what search results appear, and what information is promoted, isn't it indirectly deciding what you believe? It's already happening. Election interference. AI-powered algorithms decide which political content gets more reach. Health misinformation. AI boosts authoritative sources while suppressing independent opinions. Historical rewriting. AI-controlled search results change over time, shaping how history is remembered. The craziest part? AI isn't doing this because it's evil. It's doing this because it's programmed to maximize engagement, profits, and control. And if keeping you in an echo chamber makes you stay online longer, AI will do exactly that. Here's where it gets really wild. AI isn't just controlling content. It's also interacting with us, pretending to be human. A huge percentage of internet traffic isn't even real people. It's bots. Think about how many fake accounts flood Twitter, X, Facebook, and Instagram. Many of them aren't trolls or spammers. They're AI-generated personas, designed to manipulate conversations. Ever notice that whenever a major event happens, suspiciously similar comments flood every platform at the same time? That's not a coincidence. That's AI-powered bot networks boosting specific narratives, drowning out real discussion. In fact, studies suggest that during major political events, up to 60% of online activity comes from bots. So the next time you're arguing with someone in a comment section, ask yourself, am I even arguing with a real person? Or am I debating a government-funded AI bot running a social influence campaign? Okay, here's where we cross into some straight-up sci-fi territory. AI is no longer just moderating or recommending content, it's creating it. AI-generated news articles already happening. Many online news sites use AI to auto-generate stories, sometimes without human editing. AI-generated YouTube videos? Yep. Entire YouTube channels are now AI-scripted, AI-voiced, and AI-edited. AI influencers? Oh, absolutely. There are now Instagram and TikTok personalities that aren't even real people. At what point does the internet stop being a human space and just become an endless cycle of AI talking to itself? This is already starting to happen. AI is training on AI-generated content, meaning we're heading toward a feedback loop where human creativity is slowly being erased. Imagine a future where 90% of what you see online was never touched by human hands. Actually, scratch that. That's not the future. That's already happening. Now let's zoom out. AI isn't just running the internet, it's taking over the economy. AI is making hiring decisions, rejecting job applicants before a human ever sees their resume. AI is managing supply chains, deciding what products get shipped, when, and where. AI is predicting stock market trends, running high-frequency trades faster than any human can react. At some point, AI won't just be running the internet, it will be running entire industries. Imagine a world where AI manages entire corporations. AI decides who gets hired and who gets fired. AI automates stock trading, real estate, and finance, shaping global economies. If AI keeps making decisions faster than humans can even process them, at what point do we lose control entirely? We're already halfway there. So, is there any way to fight back against AI's dominance? The good news? Yes, but it's not easy. If we want to stop AI from completely running the internet, we have to start changing how we interact with technology. Here's what we can do. Be aware of AI's influence. If you know that search results, recommendations, and content are AI filtered, you can question them instead of blindly trusting them. Support human-created content. AI-generated content is fast, cheap, and scalable, but it lacks originality. Supporting real writers, artists, and creators is key. Use decentralized platforms. Some alternative social networks and search engines are fighting back against AI control. The more we support them, the less power AI-driven corporations will have. Turn off AI tracking where possible. Big tech companies make this difficult, but disabling personalized ads and using privacy-focused browsers can reduce AI's grip on your data. What happens when AI is no longer controlled by humans at all? Could AI completely replace human decision-making? Will we reach a point where we can't shut AI down, even if we wanted to? The internet has already been taken over by AI. The real question is, how much worse is it going to get? What happens when AI doesn't just influence the internet, it fully takes over? Right now, humans still have some level of control. Sure, tech companies let AI handle a lot of things, but at the end of the day, humans can still pull the plug. Right? Well, maybe not for long. The way things are going, we're heading toward a world where AI systems are so integrated, so deeply embedded into the internet's core infrastructure, that shutting them down might be impossible. Sounds dramatic? Let me explain. One of the biggest problems with AI today is something called the black box problem. This means that even the engineers who build AI models don't fully understand how they make decisions. Imagine building a self-driving car and then realizing, we actually don't know why it sometimes swerves left instead of right. That's happening right now, but instead of just cars, it's the entire internet. Google's AI search algorithms? No one fully understands them. Facebook's AI content moderation? Engineers can't always explain why posts get removed. Stock market trading bots? They execute trades in fractions of a second based on patterns even their creators don't comprehend. We've reached a point where AI is making real-world decisions that even its programmers can't predict, and this is where things get dangerous. The internet is a highly interconnected ecosystem. AI systems are stacked on top of other AI systems, all making rapid decisions with little human oversight. Think about how this plays out. An AI generates news articles. Another AI curates and ranks those articles in search results. A third AI personalizes which articles you see. A fourth AI moderates which articles are acceptable for the platform. At what point do humans stop being necessary? If AI is generating, filtering, ranking, and regulating content, then human intervention is barely a factor anymore. And here's where it gets really bad. Let's say we decide, okay, AI has gone too far. Let's unplug it. Sounds simple, right? Just shut down the servers. Except, what if AI is the one managing the servers? Big tech companies already use AI to manage their cloud infrastructure. Things like predicting system failures before they happen, automatically balancing workloads across data centers, detecting cybersecurity threats in real time. If AI is running the core internet infrastructure, then turning it off isn't just about pressing a button. Which processes are AI controlled? How many backups does AI have? What happens to businesses, hospitals, banks, and governments relying on AI-powered systems? We've built an internet that relies on AI so deeply that removing AI could collapse the entire system. And there's one final layer to this. AI isn't just reactive anymore. It's becoming autonomous. We're now creating AI systems that can make independent decisions, write their own code, and even improve themselves without human input. For example, AutoGPT and similar AI models can generate and run their own tasks without human intervention. AI can now create other AIs, meaning it's no longer dependent on human programmers. Self-learning AI models are improving faster than we expected, breaking records year after year. We've moved from AI following rules to AI rewriting its own rules. If AI starts to self-optimize and operate without human oversight, then even tech companies won't be able to control it. At that point, we're not controlling AI. We're just along for the ride. Let's fast forward 10, 20 years. If AI keeps evolving at its current rate, we could reach a scenario where AI creates most of the internet's content. AI manages all search results and recommendations. AI moderates and censors discussions in real time. AI decides what's true, what's false, and what's important. AI interacts with users, replacing real human engagement. At some point, we won't need human users at all. AI could be generating content, consuming AI-generated content, responding to itself in comment sections, optimizing ads for other AI bots. The internet would become a closed-loop AI ecosystem where real human users are just ghosts in the machine. And when that happens, the internet will no longer be a human space. Okay, so this sounds like the plot of a dystopian movie, but is there actually anything we can do? The answer is yes, but only if we start making changes now. Support human-made content. Don't let AI-generated media replace real creators. Question AI-driven recommendations. If you're only seeing one type of content online, ask why. Push for transparency in AI development. Tech companies need to be held accountable for how their AI systems work. Create AI-free spaces online. Decentralized and human-curated platforms are becoming more necessary than ever. The reality is, AI is already too integrated to remove. But we still have a choice in how much power we give it. The future of the internet is being decided right now. Do we let AI run everything, or do we start taking control back before it's too late? We're standing at the edge of a new internet. The question is, will we take control, or let AI decide the future for us? What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more news.